Hey, what's going on? I wanted to make a tutorial on how to make a simple 3DS game. My mouse not showing up? Oh, there it is. Never mind. Okay. I wanted to make a simple tutorial on how to make a basic 3DS game. So, yeah, just a simple hello world and then a touchscreen tester for the 3DS. So, what you're going to want to start with, this is all in the C language, so if you don't really know that, you might want to learn that. So you're going to want to do an include, and then 3ds.h. And here, we can save that, so here, I'll put it on the desktop, new folder, 3ds thing. I'll just do that. And I'll do main.c. So now it's in the C language. So now we're going to go to this. Y. There. Okay. Okay. And now we go in here, make a new folder called source. Oh, you're going to need to download DevKit Pro. So, here, you're going to want to go to devkitpro.org here. I'll put this in the description. And you're going to need to download it, and then you're just going to put that in there. And now you're going to want to get your make file from wherever your downloaded DevKit Pro is. It's in here. It's in my D drive. It's probably going to be in C for you. But you're going to want to go into DevKit Pro. No, not GameCube. 3DS, graphics, printing, hello world, and just copy this make file. And now you're going to go back into your game folder, paste. And now that'll be it. And now you're going to want to click here, this little search bar, and copy this, Control C. And now you can go back into your text editor, and that's pretty much it for setting up the directories. And now you are going to want to do another include, but this time you do stdio.h. And then that is all the whatever they're called, I don't know. Now you're gonna do int main int argc comma char 2 asterisks argv. And now you're gonna do that. So that's just a 2 curly brackets, or that's just a curly bracket, and you press enter. And now what you're gonna do is you are going to do gfx init default, and then put 2 parentheses and a semicolon, and then you do print console, and then you do top screen, comma, bottom screen, semicolon. And now you do console, init, gfx underscore top, comma, ampersand, top screen, semicolon, and then you do the same thing, but gfx bottom screen. And then you do, that's pretty much it for getting the screens working. Now you do while apt main loop make that a function, and you do another curly bracket, and then you do hid scan input, and then for this you're going to want to do U32 K down equals hid keys down. Make that a function. And now this is just to be able to exit the program. You do if K down and all caps key underscore start. Sorry, I can't type today. Then you do break with a semicolon. And then here, just to test this out, we can make a simple printf, then hello world right there. But if you want it to be in the center of the screen, you do a \x1b, a normal square bracket, just one, and then you do 1620. Oh, and a capital H there. And save. And then you go back to your folder. And we do that. Hold on, let me close this. Back in here. It's over here for some reason. Yes, okay. Oh wait, right. I forgot to do the next part. And then you do GFX flush buffers. And then GFX swap buffers. And then you do GSP wait for v blank. Now you go down here, GFX exit, and then return 0. And now that's pretty much it for that. Now you go in here, you make sure that you copy that, and you go into command prompt, do cmd, I have it bookmarked, or I have it on my taskbar, cd, and then your directory, and you just do make. And as you can see, it makes it. And I recommend downloading the Citra 3DS emulator so you can just run these without actually putting it on your 3DS. So you just run that, and you can see, oh, it's on the bottom screen. Whoops. But you see it's working. And if we press select, which is M in Citra, it exits. So the reason it was on the bottom screen is we never specified what screen to go on. So it's running this, so it's on the top screen, and then it's running this, so it's on the bottom screen. And since there's nothing else to say what screen to go to, it just stays on the bottom. So then you do console select and top screen. No, top screen. And then we can make and rerun this, and you can see that it's on the top now. See? It's up here instead of down here. Yes. Okay, so now we are going to do the touch screen. So what we are going to do is I am going to make a console select bottom screen printf x1b 10 touch screen chords. And then you go down here under this, and now you do touch position, touch, hid, touch, read, and touch, console select, bottom screen, printf, then you do 2 0 %03d semicolon %03d, and now you do comma touch.px and touch.py. Okay, and now you make, and it didn't work. Oh, hid touch reef. Hid touch read, there. Now that'll work, and you go back into the file. You can see right here, touchscreen chords, 0 and 0, and if you click and hold, or you put it on the touch screen, it updates in real time to wherever you're touching on the screen. And you can still press M or start to exit. And that's it for today. Might make some more. Probably going to. So, yeah. Peace.